This is probably the most unique phone I have ever reviewed, and here is why. It is the world's first 33,000 mAh rugged smartphone with a built-in projector. But the uniqueness doesn't stop here. It also features a powerful 1200 lumen camping light, 18-watt reverse charging, a 200 megapixels main camera, and full IP68 and IP69K rugged certification. And that's just the beginning. There is a lot more to cover. The Oukitel WP100 Titan ships in a nice box, and inside you get a 66 watts fast charger, USB Type-C cable, a carrying handle, a few mounting screws for the handle, and some paperwork. It's a solid package with everything you need to get started. If you are interested in picking up this device at a discounted price, now is the perfect time as it's currently part of a Kickstarter campaign. You'll find all the links and show notes down below in the video description. This phone has one of the largest battery capacities ever seen in a smartphone, 33,000 mAh. That's a ridiculous amount of power, and it translates up to 2 weeks of use on a single charge depending on how you use it. If you're someone who spends a lot of time outdoors or works in remote areas without easy access to power, this could be a game changer. It also has an impressive standby time of over 6 months, so if you leave it sitting around, it will be ready when you need it. With this battery, you can watch videos for almost 50 hours or play games for about 44 hours, which is honestly crazy for a smartphone. With a massive 33,000 mAh battery, the Titan isn't just a phone, it's a power source. Thanks to 18 watts reverse charging, you can use it to charge other devices like smartphones, earbuds, smartwatches, drones, and more. Whether you're camping, traveling, or just need to top up another device, this feature makes sure you always have power to spare. Of course, fitting such a massive battery and all other features that I'll talk about later requires a rugged design. Oukitel went with a metal and rubber construction that feels incredibly solid. It is not just big, it's built like a tank. The phone is IP68 and IP69K certified, meaning it is water resistant, dust-proof, and tough enough to survive harsh conditions. It's also shock resistant up to 1.5 meters, so it can handle accidental drops without a problem. Beyond its rugged build, Oukitel added some thoughtful design touches. The volume buttons feel solid, and there is a toolless dual SIM card tray, making it easy to swap SIMs. There are also 2 customizable buttons which you can program for quick access to apps or features. One of the most unique aspects of the design is the attachable handle, which makes carrying this massive device effortless, especially for outdoor or work environments. Right above the power key, there is a ventilation grill, while the USB Type-C port is protected by a flap to keep out dust and water. Just below it, you'll find a lanyard loop, adding another way to carry or secure the phone. This is definitely one of the biggest phones out there, but at the same time, it feels well built and durable. The rugged design might not be for everyone, but if you need something that can survive almost anything, this phone delivers. A smartphone with a built-in projector isn't something you see every day, and this phone takes it a step further by combining it with a massive 33,000 mAh battery. With 100 lumens of brightness, this projector works best in low-light environments, making it great for watching movies, sharing videos, or even displaying presentations when you are on the go. Using it couldn't be easier. Just open up the Projector app and it instantly starts mirroring everything displayed on the phone. It also has automatic screen orientation and auto keystone calibration, so you don't have to waste time adjusting settings manually. No matter which streaming platform you choose, it works flawlessly, and I was actually very impressed with the projected image quality, as it exceeded my expectations by a large margin. Overall, this isn't just a gimmicky feature, it's a projector that I would actually want to use for camping trips and outdoor movie nights. And again, that colossal battery makes this feature even more practical. If this phone had a smaller battery, the projector would only last a few hours before you would have to find a power outlet. But with this massive amount of power, you can keep watching for hours without worrying about running out of juice. Another standout feature of the WP100 Titan is the built-in 1200 lumen camping light. This isn't just a small flashlight like you would find on most smartphones. This is a full-on, high-powered light that can easily illuminate your surroundings in complete darkness. Whether you're camping, working in low-light conditions, or dealing with a power outage, this light is genuinely useful. What's great is that it's not just a single bright beam. The phone offers multiple lighting modes, allowing you to adjust brightness levels depending on your needs. Whether you need a dim light for reading or full brightness to light up an entire campsite, it's versatile enough for different situations. There is also a flash SOS mode for emergencies and a super mode where the light flashes at a strobe-like speed, potentially useful for signaling or self-defense situations. And of course, this massive 33,000 mAh battery plays a huge role here. A light this powerful would drain a regular phone battery quickly, but with this much capacity, you can keep it running for hours without worry. It's one of those features that might seem like a gimmick at first, but once you actually use it, you realize how practical it is. Well, this is not the key selling point of the device, but the 200 megapixels camera is capable of capturing some good quality images. It also records decent 4K video, making it more versatile than most rugged phones. Selfies and selfie portraits are surprisingly nice and sharp, which was unexpected. While selfie video could be a little bit more stable, it's still pretty good for everyday use. Overall, the camera performs well, especially considering this phone is built for durability rather than photography. On top of all the amazing features this phone has, the night vision camera is a very nice bonus. It captures pretty decent quality images in complete darkness, and you can even record decent quality night vision video. Overall, it's a great extra feature to have, adding even more versatility to this rugged device. Powering everything is a MediaTek chipset, which is paired with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. This combination is surprisingly good, even for 3D gaming. While it won't compete with flagship devices, you can still play a variety of games with nice graphics and smooth performance. And with this massive battery, gaming sessions can last for hours, at least 44 hours non-stop, as I mentioned before. The user interface is nice and smooth and with plenty extra features beyond stock Android. One of the most useful additions is the toolbox, which includes handy tools for different situations. You can also customize 2 programmable keys in a variety of ways, assigning them to specific functions or launching particular apps. On top of that, there are several featured functions that some users might find useful in different situations. The phone also features a 120Hz display, which is sharp, smooth, and easy to see both indoors and outdoors. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just navigating through the UI, the experience feels fluid and responsive. For connectivity, the Titan supports 5G, ensuring fast and reliable network speeds. And last but not least, it has a very loud speaker reaching up to 130 decibels with decent sound quality. It's one of the loudest smartphone speakers out there, making it great for outdoor use or situations where you need to hear notifications loud and clear. Here is a quick audio test. The Oukitel WP100 Titan is an absolute powerhouse of a phone. With its massive 33,000 mAh battery, built-in 100-lumen projector, 1200-lumen camping light, and rugged tank-like design, it is one of the most unique devices I have ever reviewed. It's built for outdoor adventurers, field workers, or anyone who needs a phone that can survive extreme conditions while offering features you won't find on a regular smartphone. While the 200 megapixels camera and night vision camera are nice extras, the real strengths of this phone are its battery life, durability, and versatile tools. The MediaTek chipset, 16GB of RAM, and 512GB of storage ensure smooth everyday performance, and the 120Hz display, 5G support, and incredibly loud speaker round out the experience. If you need a rugged phone that does more than just survive the elements, the WP100 Titan delivers in a big way, and it is one of the most unique phones you can get. Tell me in the comment section down below, what do you think about this device? Would you buy this one or would you choose another option? Also, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.